Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 2016 16 plate 435D M Sport Gran Coupe in carbon Schwarz metallic. The vehicle features a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit, and alongside that we've fitted a brand new set of the 20-inch 666 competition style alloys that are finished in the frozen black. At the front of the car you can see the Angel Eye and Xenon headlamps. The vehicle itself is very nicely presented in that carbon black metallic. Down the side you can see the BMW gloss black air breathers, our satin side vinyls and the YNC Mperformance decals once again. On the rear windows it also comes with the sun protection glazing, and you can see, thanks to the additions we've made including the very eye-catching alloys, that it becomes a very subtle look with that carbon black. We've got a very striking Old English saddle brown interior, which for drivers and passengers we've got electric movement, memory for driver side and the heated seat option as well. We do of course have an 8-speed sports automatic gearbox which works very nicely with that superb X-Drive 4-wheel drive system. Rear we have got a 3-seat Isofix bench, central folding armrest and a darkened M Sport headlining. That Old English saddle brown working really very well with the carbon exterior colour. Before heading to the very rear of the car, again showing you off those fantastic 20-inch wheels. We opted to go for the carbon effect spoiler on this vehicle alongside the satin rear diffuser. You do of course get a automatic opening and closing tailgate on the Gran Coupes, as you can see there. That then reveals a very large boot space, which can be made further larger thanks to split folding seats and removable top and bottom partial shelves. Onto the driver's side, where again we can show you the difference between a carbon black and a black sapphire vehicle. So at the front you can see the darker tone to the colour, and at the rear a more dark blue. Really nice subtle colour, especially when it is paired with the frozen black side vinyls and alloys. Hopping on inside, we're going to take you through a couple of the vehicle's features, including we've got extended storage, we've also got power folding mirrors and a nice array of other features, including the wonderful professional wide navigation and media screen. Beginning with the sat nav, which is a really user-friendly system with anything on the BMW range. Always often talked about is how easy the sat nav is to use. Anybody could use this system. Bluetooth, telephone and audio. We've also got DAB along with a wide array of multimedia inputs. Down here we'll find the dual climate controls along with switches for these wonderful Old English saddle brown seats. It's covered just over 55,000 miles, and if we head on through into the service information screen, we'll check out the service requirements. You will find on the multifunction M Sport steering wheel the cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, along with the paddles for that phenomenal 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. The car is not due a service for 14,000 miles, so plenty of time left till next service. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch the walk around. I'm hoping you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful. If you do want to get in touch with us here, you'll find all of the relevant contact information along with links to our website down below in the description. Again guys, thanks very much. Do of course take care, and we shall hopefully see yourself soon. Bye bye.